Ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess of receipts, bank statements, and forgotten passwords? You're not alone. Juggling personal finances can feel overwhelming, especially without the right tools. This is where online accounting software swoops in, promising a haven of organization and clarity. But with so many options on the market, it's hard to know which one fits your needs. Today, we're diving deep into Zwave, a popular accounting platform. But the burning question is Zwave for personal use, or is it strictly for businesses? Let's untangle that question and see if Zwave can be your personal finance knight in shining armor. Free and designed for simplicity. First things first, Zwave stands out for its free plan. Unlike some competitors that lock essential features behind paywalls, Zwave offers core functionalities at no cost. This makes it instantly attractive for personal users who may not be comfortable shelling out cash for a budgeting app. But is free synonymous with flimsy? Thankfully, no. Zwave boasts a clean and user-friendly interface. Gone are the days of deciphering complex accounting jargon. Zwave keeps things straightforward, making it easy to navigate even for those with limited accounting experience. Features tailored for personal finance. Now, let's dissect the features that matter most for personal use. Zwave goes beyond basic invoicing and expense tracking, offering functionalities that directly impact your day-to-day finances. Effortless bill management. Forget the paper avalanche. Zwave lets you connect your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically pulling in transactions. This saves you the hassle of manual data entry and ensures you have a clear picture of your income and expenses. Intuitive budgeting tools. Zwave doesn't just track your money, it helps you manage it. Set spending limits for different categories, from groceries to entertainment, and get real-time updates on how you're faring against your budget. Seamless receipt capture. Say goodbye to crumpled receipts stuffed in your wallet. Zwave allows you to snap photos of receipts using your smartphone app, which are then automatically categorized and stored within the platform. This eliminates the risk of losing receipts and makes expense reporting a breeze. Simplified tax prep. Tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare. Zwave categorizes your transactions according to tax rules, making it easier to generate reports for tax filing. While Zwave doesn't replace a professional tax advisor, it can definitely streamline the process. Beyond the basics, features for power users. While Zwave excels at simplifying personal finance, it also offers features that cater to power users who want to delve deeper. Income tracking. Freelancers and independent contractors can rejoice. Zwave lets you manage invoices, track payments, and even send payment reminders. Inventory management. For those running a side hustle that involves physical products, Zwave's inventory management tools can help you track stock levels and stay organized. Limitations to consider. It's important to acknowledge that Zwave isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. While it's fantastic for personal use, there are limitations to consider. Limited reporting. Zwave's free plan offers basic reporting functionalities, but it may not cater to complex needs. No payroll services. If you have employees, Zwave won't handle your payroll processing. Scalability concerns. As your financial needs grow more intricate, Zwave's free plan might not suffice. You might need to consider upgrading to a paid plan or exploring more robust accounting software. Is Zwave right for you? So, is Zwave the personal finance hero you've been searching for? Here's a quick breakdown. Zwave is perfect for you if you're tired of manual bookkeeping and want a user-friendly system. You're on a budget and don't want to spend money on accounting software. You primarily need budgeting and expense tracking tools. You might want to explore other options if you need advanced reporting functionalities. You manage employees and require payroll processing. You anticipate your financial needs becoming significantly more complex in the future. Zwave is undeniably a strong contender in the personal finance software arena. Its free plan offers exceptional value, with features that go beyond simple expense tracking. The intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it approachable even for those with no accounting background. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.